In today's video, I bring you a trading strategy that can be used on the 30-minute time frame and above, on the euro dollar or the British pound dollar. The only indicator that we will use will be the daily pivot. In my case, I will use the strategy on the euro dollar on the 30-minute chart. The first thing we will have to do is select the daily pivot indicator. This one here. This indicator, we will leave it with the parameters that come by default. We'll change the line color to white and the line type to a solid line. The daily pivots indicator will indicate the main levels of support and resistance, and they will be graphed automatically. We will make a buy trade when the price crosses the white line from the bottom to the top. We will put a stop loss at 20 pips and a take profit at 35 pips. If you don't know how to measure this, you can simply do it with the following tool and the following configuration. In the case of wanting to carry out a sell operation, we will carry it out when the price crosses the white line from top to bottom. We will put a stop loss at 20 pips and a take profit at 35 pips. This is a very simple strategy, perfect for anyone at the intermediate level. Now, once the strategy has been explained, let's see some examples so that everything is clearer. And ready, I hope this strategy has been useful to you. Do not forget that before trying it with real money, you need to try it in a demo account so that you can put it into practice by yourself. Do not forget to subscribe so as not to miss any strategy, as we upload the best strategies every week.